Volcanoes are one of nature's most powerful and fascinating phenomena. But how do they work? Why do they erupt? And what lies beneath their fiery rage? Let's dive deep into the science of volcanic eruptions. To understand volcanoes, we need to go beneath the surface of our planet. The Earth is made up of three main layers. 1. The core, the hottest and deepest part of the Earth. 2. The mantle, a semi-solid layer, where intense heat and pressure melt rock into magma. 3. The crust, the thin outermost layer, where we live and where volcanoes form. The Earth's crust isn't a single piece. It's broken into massive plates called tectonic plates. These plates float on the semi-molten mantle and are constantly moving, colliding, pulling apart, or sliding past each other. Volcanoes are born at the boundaries where these plates interact. There are three main ways volcanoes form. 1. Divergent boundaries. When tectonic plates pull apart, magma rises to fill the gap, forming volcanoes. This happens along places like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Number 2. Convergent boundaries. When one plate dives under another in a process called subduction, the melting of the subducted plate creates magma. Famous examples include the volcanoes of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Number 3. Hotspots. In the middle of tectonic plates, hotspots like Hawaii occur when magma rises through weak points in the crust. Now let's take a closer look at the anatomy of a volcano. Inside, you'll find magma chamber, the reservoir of molten rock beneath the surface. Vent, the pathway magma travels to reach the surface. Crater, the bowl-shaped opening where magma, now called lava, erupts. When pressure builds up in the magma chamber, the volcano bursts open. But what causes this pressure? As magma rises, gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide are trapped within it. Imagine shaking a soda bottle. Pressure builds, and when you open the cap, it erupts. That's similar to what happens in a volcano. When the pressure from gases becomes too much for the surrounding rock to hold, the magma escapes violently, causing an eruption. Depending on the type of magma, eruptions can be explosive, sending ash and lava sky high, or gentle, like a slow lava flow. Volcanoes erupt in different ways based on their structure and the type of magma inside. 1. Effusive eruptions, gentle lava flows like in Hawaiian volcanoes. 2. Explosive eruptions. These are violent with ash clouds and pyroclastic flows like Mount St. Helens. 3. Phreatic eruptions. When magma meets water, it creates steam-driven explosions. Volcanoes can have devastating effects. Ash clouds can disrupt air travel and affect the climate. Lava flows destroy everything in their path. Pyroclastic flows, a mix of hot gases and volcanic matter, are deadly. But they also have benefits. Volcanic soil is incredibly fertile, supporting agriculture in many regions, and geothermal energy is a sustainable resource from volcanic activity. History is full of iconic volcanic eruptions. Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD buried the city of Pompeii. Krakatoa in 1883 caused global climate effects. And more recently, the 2010 eruption of Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland disrupted air travel across Europe. If you live near a volcano, here's how you can stay safe. Always follow evacuation orders from authorities. Wear a mask to protect against ash inhalation. Have an emergency kit ready with essentials like water, food, and a flashlight. Volcanoes remind us of Earth's incredible power, beauty, and mystery. They shape our landscapes, affect our climate, and inspire our imaginations. Next time you see a volcano, remember the incredible science behind its eruption. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments which volcano fascinates you the most. Until next time, stay curious.